So this is how our course looks like. Sorry, the exam structure. This is how your exam looks like, my friends. So you've got two sections, section A and section B, with 6 questions across the exam. So in total, you'll have 6 questions. Let me zoom it for you, right? So two sections and 6 questions and question type. You'll have 3 questions, 3 MCQs in your section A. Section A is total for 30 marks and 10 marks per MCQ. So you've got 3 MCQs, 10 marks for each MCQ, and 3 long structured questions in section B. Now, section B is a 70 mark section. So you'll have 2 questions for sorry, one 30 mark question and two 20 mark questions. So 20 times 2 is 40, 40 plus 30 is 70. So one 30 mark question in section B and 2 questions for 20 mark each in section B. So 20 plus 30 is equal to 70. Is it marks for section B? So time allowed, you're allowed 3 hours, 180 minutes. So considering the number of questions and the time allowed, this is a detailed exam. At times, students really struggle in completing their exams within those 180 minutes. And that's why is that? Because there's a lot of writing involved. Like I said, it's a theory-heavy subject. It can become a problem in finishing your exam within time if you have insufficient practice. And the main reason why students struggle with this subject is because they try cramming and memorizing everything rather than understanding the basics, the essence, the background, the concepts behind it. They don't follow the process, they don't follow the structure, they don't follow uh, they don't have a plan rather than just simply memorizing everything. Simple memorization won't really help you in passing the exam. And so it's a combination of two different things. Your found concept building plus your plus sufficient quality practice. So if you've got the concepts, you don't have the practice, you have uh, you have you have little or no chance. But if you have got practice, if you don't have the concepts, still you've got no chance. So it's a combination of two different things, and you have to eliminate the a rote learning approach of memorizing everything. Yes, you will need to memorize a certain certain areas or certain references, but that's very little. A high level view. If you see a high level view or a holistically, it's all about concept and sufficient quality practice. So yeah, moving forward, what else do we have here? So that's some further information. So 3 MCQs, each question will fetch you 10 marks. You've got 3 questions, 10 marks each, and every question will have 5 sub-questions with 2 marks each. Okay. So say there are MCQ number 1 will have 5 subparts, 2 marks for each part. Okay. Then moving forward, now this is what our VLS course overview, this is what we are offering you. This is what I'm offering you. So we are offering you complete pre-recorded sessions for all chapters. Now you've got the recordings from chapter number 1 till chapter number 12. So what are we following? What's the chapter? How's the course designed? So your course is designed in line with your Kaplan exam kit, Kaplan study text. So that's what we follow. So the course is designed. So if somebody is following BPP, they might get confused with the chapter number references because our course is designed in line with Kaplan, and that's what we highly recommend. Follow the Kaplan's exam kit and study text if you feel like. Okay, because that's very detailed. Otherwise, we have got chapter wise notes for all the chapters. I'll tell you that later. So complete pre-recorded sessions for all chapters. Weekly live sessions. Now that's my most favorite area, which is your weekly live sessions. Focusing on draft. Like I said, this is a theory heavy subject and requires significant practice, sufficient practice. Practicing how to write question, how to draft answers. Now, sir, we are ready to practice, but how to do that? Is there a secret to it? Is there a shortcut to it? Is there what do we say? Um, is there any particular tip or any code, any cheat code? No, there is no cheat code. The only code that you've got to for quality practice is learning the art of exam techniques. Drafting exam techniques. So your live sessions will focus on drafting the answers, exam practice based on this art, based on the art of exam techniques. You won't find this the uh, you won't be able to find answers drafting or ans sorry, you won't be able to find drafting and practice and exam techniques in your pre-recorded sessions, okay? Because pre-recorded sessions mainly focus on concept building, focus on your knowledge areas, focus on um, basically the concepts, your foundation building. And weekly live sessions are a follow-up of your pre-recorded sessions, whereby we are actually solving the questions. We are drafting answers, we are practicing, and we are learning the exam techniques. Okay, so exam techniques will make your life way easier. I'm telling you that. Okay, because they act like a tool. They act like your life savior, honestly. Topical assignments and overall syllabus marks. So topically you will be assessed, you will be examined by us, and don't take it very like you uh, don't need to be frightened of being examined. You don't need to be stressed about it. It's all about it's a part of your learning process. It's a part of your preparation. Like, we are helping you out by examining you, we are helping you out by testing you to it will be an eye opener for you. You'll be able to assess where you actually stand and what more do you need to do. All right. Complete chapter-wise notes. So some may be asking me, what do we, sir, is there anything that we need to do? Like, should we follow Kaplan study text? We follow BPP. Your course is designed as per Kaplan. That's one thing's for sure. You should be following Kaplan's exam kit for practicing the answers or for drafting the answers and practicing questions. However, as far as Kaplan's study text is concerned, that's totally up to you. You may want to follow it. You are more than welcome. Otherwise, we have got complete chapter wise notes after every chapter that you'll find on the VLS portal. Under that chapter, you can see the chapter wise notes, right? You can see extra also. On a regular basis, I'll be sharing some extra information notes with all of you. You've also got a section on your website for extra information notes. Uh, and exam technique notes and list of knowledge based questions. So you've got a bund so you've got a lot of material, a large bundle of material in the form of chapter wise notes, in the form of exam technique notes, in the form of list of knowledge based questions, in the form of what else was it? Extra information notes. So we won't leave you alone, trust me. So there's a lot of material coming your way, right? So you can find these chapter-wise notes and exam techniques and extra notes on the VLS portal. I'm sure you won't be able to understand what's how to use them at the moment, what that is all about. But as we move progress in the course, everything will become easier for you, I'm telling you. Then moving forward, then we have got a structured study plan and response to queries in a very active WhatsApp group. I'm sure many of you are already present in the WhatsApp group. Now, I highly encourage students to raise queries and questions in the WhatsApp group. Just because we will be interacting once a week in the live session doesn't mean that that's the only mode of communication available to all of you. Obviously, we are geographically, we are very distant from each other. We are quite diverse geographically, and we are based in different countries. We can't really meet in person, but that's exactly where technology comes into play, and you should be using the WhatsApp group service actively. If there's anything that you are unable to understand, you've got a question, you've got your queries, raise them in the WhatsApp group, and I will definitely I'm very active in responding to queries. Okay. If you don't feel like raising a question in the WhatsApp group, you can come in a private chat and I'll definitely take out time to respond. Okay. Structured study plan that will definitely be available on the website in a couple of days, and weekly study plan will be sent out by me in the WhatsApp group after every live session. Say we have got a live session, and the just after a day or two, I will definitely send over a study plan for the upcoming week and will pin the message so that you guys can refer to it later on. Thirdly, theory heavy subject, lots of exam technique required, lots of writing required, sir. We are stressing out, we are having anxiety attacks, we are having depression, we are getting hesitant, we are getting nervous. How do we it's a very nerve-wracking exam, that's for sure, because there's lots of writing. I'm not saying it's difficult, but yes, definitely it will test your patience, it will test your nerves. So you need to have nerves of steel, okay? And how would you do that? So you'll do that by extensively focusing on stress, pressure, and time management. So you will definitely see me using these words back and forth as we be during the live sessions and even in the pre-recorded sessions, because that's something that I heavily focus on, heavily emphasize on. You need to learn how to manage stress, pressure, and time. And if you do so, I'm telling you, this exam, not even this exam, any exam that you attempt in your ACCA journey will become a piece of cake. I'm telling you that. You can take my word for it. All right. So this is what we offer in your VLS course overview, sir. When will the live sessions begin? The live sessions for this for June 26th will be on Fridays. And if for some reason I'm unable to deliver a live session on Friday, so the alternative live session will be on Sunday. So we might play around Fridays and Sundays, but a standard uh, standard day for live sessions will be on Fridays. Further details will follow later on in the WhatsApp group.